Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is lecture number 2 of Computer Science from your third term syllabus. Dear students, we have started learning chapter number 9, Multimedia with Viz, page number 71 in our last lecture. We have worked in PowerPoint, we have opened PowerPoint, we have seen the slides that appear in front of us. We have also checked multiple layouts that are available to us during our last lecture. We have also applied different designs on our presentation, and we have also inserted two text boxes in the presentation during our last lecture. Dear students, in our last lecture we have applied layout on our slide. We have selected the home tab from the slides group. We have seen multiple layouts and we have selected blank layout for our presentation. After selecting blank layout, we have applied a design over presentation from designs tab in the themes group. We have seen multiple designs that are provided to us and we have selected a design for our presentation like this. And then we have placed two text boxes on the slide. In first text box we have written numbers and in the other text box we have entered text. Now in this lecture we will see how we can apply effects on the text. We want to add title on this slide. Our slide do not have title yet. In order to insert a title we will click on insert tab. From here word art is given to us in the text group. We will click on word art. Different options of effects that we can apply on the text appear here. We will select one of the effects and we will type the text. We have given evolution of computer as a title of our presentation. Now we will move it on the top. So we have applied effect on the text evolution of computers. Dear students, now we will give a title to this slide. We will click on insert tab and from text group we will select word art. It will give multiple effects that we can apply on the text. We can select any style from here and a placeholder will be given to us where we can write the title. We will write evolution of the computers here as a title. Now our first slide is ready. Dear students, now our first slide is ready. This is the time to insert a new slide. To insert a new slide, we will click on Home tab. From Slides group, we will click on New Slide. New slide will appear on the slide sorter pane. Now, this slide also have the same design as the previous one. We want to insert a title. We will click on Insert tab. From Text group, we will click on Word Art. It will give us multiple effects that we can apply on the text. From here we will take one style. We will choose any style that we want to and we will write our title in the placeholder that has been provided to us. We will write here uses of computers. Now we want to insert a picture here. We will click on Insert tab. From Images group we will click on Picture. Now we will provide the path where our picture is stored. Our selected picture will be inserted on the slide. We will adjust its size. Now we want to insert some text along with it as well. We will click on Insert tab and from text group we will take text box. We will place the text box on the slide and we will write we can do drawing and solving sums and watching cartoons and listening to the music. Now we have written some of the uses of the computers. We can increase the size of the text and we can change the color of the text as well. Just to make first line different look different, we can change the color of first line also. Now, dear students, our second slide is also ready. Dear students, now we will insert another slide. From Home tab, we will click on New Slide option from the Slides group. It will provide us with another slide. We can add as many slides in the presentation as we want. Now to insert a title, we will click on Insert button. From Text group, we will click on Word Art. We will select a design from here for our text and we will write here the title of this slide. We want to give it a title of data processing. Now in the insert group, we have been provided with smart art. We will click on smart art from illustration group. We had clicked on insert tab, then from illustration group we have selected smart art. Smart art is used to insert a flow chart on the slide. We will take the simplest one. We can take this basic process flow chart. Three boxes are given to us in which we can write the text. We will simply click here and we will write input. In the second box we will write process, and in the third box we can write output. Now dear students, our third slide is also ready. Dear students, now we will insert the last slide and we will insert a text box here. From text we will insert a text box and we will write here thank you. Okay dear students, now our presentation is complete. In order to save the presentation, you will click on File button. A menu will appear. You will click on Save As. Now you will select the location where you want to save your file and you will give the name to your presentation and you will click on Save button. Your presentation will be saved with the name that you have written in the box, and the name of the presentation will appear on the title bar, that is the topmost bar of the PowerPoint. Dear students, now this is the time to run the slideshow. We will click on Slideshow tab. From Start Slideshow group, we will click on From Beginning. The other way to run the presentation is to click on this cup button that is given on the status bar. Now we will click on From Beginning. This is the first slide. To change the slide, we will simply click the mouse button. When we click the left mouse button, our slide will change and it will keep on changing in this way until we reach to the end. When our slideshow will complete, end of slideshow screen will appear and we will return to the slideshow. Dear students, now we will do the exercise that is given on page number 77. Find words in the chapter that has same meanings. First word that is given to us is change. Adjust has been used in the chapter for the word change, so you will write adjust on the blank that has been provided to you. Next word is not the same. Different is the word that has been used in the chapter, so you will write different in the space provided to you. For length, you will write the word size, then rule, you will write systematic. Systematic is the word that has been used in the chapter to describe rules. You will complete page number 77 accordingly. Well, dear students, another exercise is given to us on the same page. What are these tools used for? First is new slide enables us to add a slide template or add more slides. New slide enables us to add more slides. You will write add more slides in the space that has been provided to you. Number 2 is smart art allows us to. A option is add shapes to a picture or make flowcharts. Smart art is used to make flowcharts. You will write make flowcharts in the space given to you. Third option is text outline determines. A option is the outline of the text box, the color the outline of the text is in. B option is correct. You will write the color the outline of the text is in. Number 4 is text fill adds. A option is text to the slide and B option is color to the text. Again B option is correct. You will write color to the text here. You will complete this exercise given on page number 77 accordingly. Dear students, now this is the time for some homework. You will read chapter number 9. After completely reading the chapter, you will complete the exercise that is given on page number 77. It is the same exercise that we have done during this lecture also. For practicing PowerPoint, you will make a presentation about our beloved country, Pakistan. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed.